Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about what is free-form natural stone wall cladding, and I'm going to tell you what is the best way to install them. My name is Armin. I'm the founder of Armstone, the place where we create timeless outdoors for your home and garden. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share it, and let other people know about it, so I can make more videos like this to help you. Natural stone cladding is a thin layer of stone applied to a building or structure made of a material other than a stone. Stone cladding is applied to a building as part of their original architectural design. The back of each piece is sawn to a flat finish, which allows the stones to be fixed to the appropriate substrates. Free-form cladding are small, medium and large pieces of loose natural stones with sawn flat back pieces that come together to create an organic wall that appears like it has been built for centuries. The definition of a free-form is individual pieces. Free-form cladding should be installed by a skilled stonemason, which is equally as important to the quality of the stone used as well as the shape and finish of the stone. When installing, it is not a pattern that stonemason has to follow. There are specific ways you need to lay each type of organic cladding to get the right look. What we are trying to achieve here is the appearance that your structure has been hand-built from the actual blocks from hundreds of years ago. If you lay the cladding as if it's abstract painting or some sort of pattern, you turn the wall into more of a pattern stone wall, which is fine if you are after that look, rather than to achieve a look of a structurally built wall that is built stacked by stonemason block by block. This way each piece suits its grains, shape and color. There are a few things to consider when it comes to the visual appeal of your wall, and there is one key element that really makes or breaks this, and it falls under installation. It's important to engage the right team, one with the commitment and experience to help bring to life your dream wall. When shortlisting the right people for the job, always be sure to ask for photos of the previous similar projects completed, as well as any references they may have. Picking the right installer can make a world of difference, and it is equally as important as the quality of stone. It's important to consider things like wastage, breakage when ordering. Depending on the type of the stone cladding, you may find some pieces are too small and you will need to sort through your extras to make the wall the size and shape you desire. We normally advise between 10 to 15% wastage. The dollar's in the details, so it's best to have full pieces, corner pieces to really enhance the overall organic feeling of your wall. You will find this much cleaner finish as you will not have any visual interference brought to you from mitered corners. Once your wall is cladded, you can finish it off with some matching capping. This creates a clean, crisp look to really turns your wall into a distinct feature. If you happen to only have short retaining wall or a planter box, it also looks great to use the full corner pieces for the capping. It's key to be patient when using the freeform or ashlar type natural stone products. When adhering the stone pieces into the substrate, be sure to use quick drying, moisture sensitive adhesive, which helps resist against moisture. Moisture is the number one culprit for debonding the glue. Fast setting glue will allow you to adhere the pieces of your wall quickly and move through your application much faster, as you won't be needing to spend time adding support to pieces of the stone which require time to adhere with the regular adhesives. Your installer would need to make sure each stone piece is clean and ready to take on the glue. Swiftly paste to glue into the back of each individual piece of the stone and also on the substrate with notch trowel. Use packers to keep the gaps consistent in between each stone piece. You can use plastic packers or packers made out of wooden bits. If you've chosen to grout between the joints of the stone, it is very important to pre-seal the stone just before grouting. This will help the installer significantly to clean the grout off the cladding and also will not have any grout haze on the surface of the stone. You also need to make sure the pre-sealer you use is not an adhesive bond breaker. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. On my next vlog, I will be talking about stone panels and stack stones. Stay tuned.